What's up, guys? Little Alpha M field trip. So a few weeks ago, I was running through my city, Marietta, when all of a sudden I stumble upon this little weird green Hobbit looking house. So I post a picture on Instagram and I get a message and he's like, hey, thanks for posting a picture of our home. And I said, these are yours? And he said, yeah. I said, can I come and see? He said, absolutely. And so today, gentlemen, what do you think about a little home tour?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on in.
Gentlemen, this is absolutely the coolest thing I've seen in a super long time. I'd like to introduce you to the people selling these bad boys.
I'm Bruno. Hello.
Hi, I'm Evelyn.
Bruno and Emelina are here in Marietta, and you have a company. Can we sort of give a little bit of a tour and then sit down and just talk a little bit about what this incredible space is? It is so incredibly cool. Alright, so Bruno, Emelina, no, I screwed up.
Evelyn.
Emmeline.
Yes.
Why can I not do that? Because I'm a dumb American, that's what it is.
Evelyn is beautiful.
Alright, so you guys are the distributors of these, what are they? Like, tell me what they're called.
We call them green homes. So we are actually manufacturers and distributors of what we call the Green Magic Homes technology.
Green Magic Homes technology. I will link to their website down below. But you guys sell these throughout the U.S., throughout Canada as well.
Yes, and of course Hawaii, Puerto Rico, all those territories.
And how many of these have you sold so far?
So far in the U.S., I mean, we have 10 built going on. More permitting going down. We had to go through a lot of testing and permitting on those shells, you know, FRP, fiber reinforced polymers that we manufacture in Indiana at this point. So of course we had to go through ICC certification, fire testing for California. Has been quite a ride for the last 2 years.
Yeah. So basically, when we were talking a little bit before I started filming, he was explaining that it's basically like little shells that are manufactured and put together. And when I was on their website, something I thought was really cool is that they've got all different plans. Like you've got plans for like, you know, based on bedrooms, square footage. I mean, you can make these like super big.
Oh, you can make as big as you want.
How big is this one?
This one is our show home, so it's only 693 square feet.
But it feels so spacious.
Because
is it because
11 feet ceilings?
How many? 11?
11 feet.
11 feet ceilings. It feels so luxurious. And the other really cool thing about this is that it's affordable.
It is. So we're trying, of course, I mean, it's fiberglass, so it's slightly more expensive. It's more expensive to produce than lumber, right? But it's highly resistant. I mean, it lasts virtually forever. So it has a cost. However, you know, our average cost per construction per square foot is about $150 to $200 per square foot.
Yeah. Well, the other cool thing about these buildings is that they're tornado and hurricane proof, right?
Right. By design, they're rounded, they're dome shaped.
So like the air and everything just goes over top, and it's also covered outside by earth.
Correct. So you have about 1 foot of soil on top and up to 5 feet on the side. So call it a bunker. It's very safe.
It's like a bunker, but a super sexy bunker. So check this out, guys. Right? Look at that. It feels a little bit like, I don't know, like a Mediterranean. Yes. It feels like a Mediterranean villa or something.
It is very European. I mean, obviously we like that design.
But it is absolutely spectacular. And the thing that I really love about it is the amount of windows. It's so much light, and it's also energy efficient.
It is. That's the whole point. We're pushing green energy efficiency. We're very focused on getting everything green. We have a second company that focuses on all, the solar panels.
Can I go show them that thing?
Of course you can.
Hey Bruno, what is it?
So this is a Smartflower. It basically, they're solar panels put on an axis. They track the sun all day, so you have complete exposition and better energy generation.
Can this power? How big of a home can this power?
Here's the problem with the U.S. American people like to waste energy.
What?
So our homes are we use LED. You can power a house like ours up to 2,000 square feet roughly, and that's good enough for a household.
Look at that.
In Georgia.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. How did you find this?
Again, we're distributors for green technologies. So we have Smartflower. We're also distributors for water seer.
Why is it important to go green?
Well, don't you think it's about time?
I do.
Yeah, our children need that. I mean, I have 3 children, and trying to make an impact on the planet. I mean, all I see is wasting resources. At this point, we can power homes instead of just, I'm not saying we all need to go off grid, but let's make an effort, and it's about time.
So what's the mission? What is your goal with these companies, with the solar technology, with the the green home? Why?
It's all about housing, giving people something that lasts, that is barely maintenance free, right?
Yeah.
And provide them with systems. And when I say systems, it's going to be solar, it's going to be water generation, gray water recycling in your home so that you don't waste tap water every time you go to the bathroom. And we have a whole array of systems on this. It costs less money, obviously. It's more efficient, and it reduces our impact on the planet. And we need that. Again,
that's it.
You have a green roof. So you can literally grow vegetables if you decide to.
You can grow vegetables in the outside of your home. I think that's pretty cool.
And we have systems to grow vegetables inside the house.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's a system that we have called Our Garden. You can literally grow 15 vegetables per month, organic, in your living room. We're going to have it in display in the showroom here.
What's the website?
So this is compassgreen.com.
That's your website.
And the technology company is called beyondbricks.com.
Can they get to the technology?
Beyondbricks.com. Yes.
Beyondbricks.com?
Yeah, we're going to link them up. Right, it's 2 different companies, but they're going to be here.
Okay. Guys, I will link to both of their companies down below, but I just wanted to, come and do a quick little tour because, running by here and I saw this and I was like, what is that thing? And it's really cool. And the fact that you're doing something so progressive and needed for the environment and for the world, I think is really...
And people want change.
Yeah.
They're asking for it.
I agree. I want change.
Yeah.
See?
Everybody's ready for it.
Gentlemen, we're all ready for change. Isn't it time we went a little more green? Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, link below. Check it out. This might be my new home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.